Hey, it's Sam here. Welcome to this demo of Snapify. It's a new cloud-based app that allows you to be able to create full galleries of content from your social media feeds. Now, this content can come from your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, all those sorts of things, but what this software lets you do is actually make all these posts shoppable. So if you, say for example, if you're an e-commerce marketer and you use social media to promote your goods, this allows you to be able to turn your posts into shoppable posts all in one place. Or if you've got a strong social following, this allows you to be able to monetize your content using e-com products, or even driving traffic to opt-ins, sales pages, anywhere you want to go. Now, as you can see, I've built up a little grid here of just content from various social media feeds, and what I can do with this is I can actually embed this on my website. So this is just a demo grid. However, you can see when I hover over each page, it says like shop these items. So I can click on this and this brings up this photo. Now you can see I've put in two items. I put in a cat t-shirt and the top in the other part of the photo, and it shows the hotspot when you hover over it where it is on the left here. So let's just say, for example, I want to buy this cat t-shirt. I'm going to click on this. It's got the details, and I can click buy now, and this will take me through to the sales page for this cat t-shirt. Now, doing this is dead simple. Here's the Snapify app here. Now you can see the different platforms in which you can fetch your content from. We got Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Tumblr, Twitter, and Vimeo on the front end product. Now what I can do is I can connect up any of these just by clicking connect, and it pulls the content for me. What I can do as well is if I go to create a new gallery, I can literally go through my social feed and click on what I want to import. So I can import any of this content from any of my social networks, okay? And I can click configure, and it allows me to build up a gallery, okay? So this lets me pull as much photos as I need to. Now let's jump into campaigns. Let's just start from scratch, and we'll show you how to do this right from the word go. So if we go create new gallery, so this is like a campaign like we just saw, and what I can do is I can choose my content from, I've hooked up Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. So I'm just going to go all posts. I'm going to pull all of this content here that I want to put in. It does video content as well, okay? So I'm just going to literally just select a whole bunch of these images. A lot of them are similar to what you just saw before, just to give me enough content to make a demo gallery. Now I'm going to click next. Okay, and then gallery title, I'm just going to call this the demo gallery. Okay, select website. Now you can connect up your website to embed this into, so you can click through. You can choose how you want it to display, so full as a slider like this, minimized like that as well, and you can have it open the links on the new tab when they click on it as well. You can choose how wide you want your images to go, so 4 wide or 5, whatever you want. So we're going to stick to 4, and I'm going to click on next. Now from here, you can configure how it displays. So you can have it show the icon, what social network it's from. You can have the show call to action button, so say for example shop now, or you can show the date as well, or you can show all three. You can customize the color of what this all turns out like, so you can use white, black, whatever. You can also choose how big you want it to show up over each image when they hover, and you can also choose the margin of where it shows up when they click on the image. So we'll just go with that. Call to action text shop now. Again, I can edit this into anything I want. I can change the thicknesses, all those sorts of things. After this, I can put in my own Google Analytic code if I feel the need to, and click create gallery. Now we've got this gallery. So let's preview this gallery. We got demo gallery. So we see it here. This has pulled all the content, and you can see it's got the little black bit over the shop now, all these call to actions. Now, how do we turn each post into a shoppable post? Easy. We go down into tag our images. So it's got all our images on file here. So I'm going to find a image to tag just for the demo purposes. I'm going to choose this Pikachu cup, and I'm going to click the tag button. Okay, so I can click anywhere on this image to tag. So I just literally click it, and that creates a hotspot. I can choose what color it is in case you've got multiple items. You can tag multiple items in the same fashion. So I'm going to put this in, tag image. So when people shop, I want them to see an image. So I'm going to use this one here. I've got a link and things already to keep this demo flowing and nice and easy. So I'm going to upload that image as the tag image for when they see it. Okay, tag type, I can turn it into a video to drive traffic to a video, a call to action, so visiting a sales page. I can have it direct to a product, say I've got a product in my own store, opt-in form, or just any customized. So let's use product for this demo. Now I'm going to call this the Pikachu mug. Okay, and then the add to cart URL, let's just say for example this was my store, I would put this in so I can use the traffic that is hitting my site to hit these, click through and buy this product. Now I can put these product prices in. It's only $5.99, so I'm going to go $5.99, and I'm just going to write a demo description here. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to add that tag, and this image has been customized. So if I go back into this page here and I refresh this feed, here it is. I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to find that mug, I'm going to click on shop now, and you can see I can click on this and I can click buy now and go through and buy it. So it's monetized the content within this post. Very, very simple. Now I can go through that and do that as many of my images as I like. I can shop the shirt, the hoodie, all these sorts of different things. Now, what else? What is this useful for? So how can you use these links to monetize it? So once you've got this, you can embed this into your website. Now, on a lot of social networks, like let's just use Instagram for example, you can't post links to content in the description. So if we go into our feed, if I go to post something, I cannot put a link in the bottom here. Okay. So what this means is it's harder to make your content shoppable. What you can do though is you can put the link to your store in your biography. So you can put it here where you would do it, so you can say shop online at this, and you'd have all your content in one place. So this is useful for those who have shoppable content all over the show and you want to put it all in one place from all your social feeds. This is for you. If you use e-commerce and you like to advertise using social media, this is a good way to put it all into one place and collate all the data, all the content, and allow it to be shoppable too. Or if you have a strong social following like I mentioned earlier on, and you're looking to monetize all that content, you can do this as well with this tool. Very, very simple to pull all the content and monetize it using this as well. So this is Snapify. This is the basic version. There is some upgrades available as well. So I encourage you to check it out down below on the bonus page to see what this software is all about. Get in during the early bird period and check out the OTOs as well. They got some cool posting softwares, things like that as well. So this is Sam, and it's been a pleasure to show you through Snapify here today.